When a place smells bad, people notice. No matter if it's a commercial facility or an industrial plant. Customers complain, workers are left unhappy, and visitors get the wrong impression. That's where state steps in. We don't just cover up odors. We neutralize them at the source with industrial deodorizers and odor control systems, including the toughest, most persistent malodors your team deals with. Whether you're managing a facility or a wastewater site, you need a solution that works without adding to your to-do list. Here's how. Our programs include systems that are automatic and hands-free, backed by proven chemistry and routine service. We install it, maintain it, and make sure it consistently meets your expectations. No extra labor, just better smelling air, fewer complaints, and peace of mind. Need something fast and flexible? We also offer ready-to-use, industrial-strength aerosol odor eliminators for quick spot treatment. Here's why it matters. You're dealing with persistent, tough malodors. Our solutions help you maintain cleaner air, reduce complaints, and meet expectations without extra strain on your team. From trash rooms and restrooms to wastewater treatment and landfill containment, we've got you covered. Because with State, it's not just a product, it's a partnership.